Hi there, it's Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. For today's DIY, I'm so excited to share with you how I made this very simple and easy planter or fairy planter with water feature. Yeah, so let's get started. I grabbed these planters at Dollar Tree, but if you cannot find it, you can go to Fred Meyer or Walmart. They have very cheap. I have this water pump that I've got from Amazon. I will put the link on the description box below. I like this water pump because you can adjust the water pressure. And here I'm trying to put the plug in the middle but it doesn't fit. So if you will do this project, make sure to consider the plug wire. But I just wrap it around on the side and it works great. And I also have this wind chime that I used from my last project. If you don't have this, you can also use the bamboo torch. It will work. We will use this as a spout and I poke two holes using hot glue. Again, thanks to all of my amazing subscribers. I'm almost on 4,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for all of you. And also a special thanks to Mikey Hansen. I hope I pronounce your name properly. I call her Nana and we talk a lot on IG. She followed me on Instagram and I love talking to her. She's very sweet. And I think she watch all of my videos. I love her comments. Thank you so much, Nana, for supporting my channel. And yeah, guys, if you want a chat, just DM me on Instagram at then I arrange one bag of pebbles and at the bottom planter I grab some rocks outside our yard and then I just put it there to balance the planter. You can stop right here. On my first attempt on doing this project, did I just stuck the planter and put a house plant and that's it. But if you want, you can also do this. I use some succulents that I've got from Dollar Tree and you're done. Or you can also add some fairies on the planter and then just put the water and turn on the water pump and you are totally done for this project. There are tons of possibilities on how you will do this project. For me, on the last part, I painted it with some acrylic paint. And as you can see, there's a light that's shining on the planter. I got that from Amazon. I will link it on the description box below. And here, this is the final design that I did. I grabbed this tree. I really like this tree so much. I grabbed that at Ross long time ago and I'm not using it. So I will use it on this project. And then I arrange it with some moss and some fairies. And here I will use the chocolate bar acrylic paint to paint it. I also added some white acrylic paint. Then I'm so happy of how it turned out. Oops, the fairy fell down. At the end, I hot glue all the fairies so that it will not gonna fall. And I got those fairies long time ago from Amazon. Yeah, I if I can still find the link, I will put it on the description box below. But Dollar Tree, they carry a lot of fairies and they're so cute. Make sure to fill up all the way, but before you put the water, you are gonna put your project where you're gonna place it so that you're not gonna carry a big planter full of water. And then voila, here I am adjusting the pressure of the water. I'm touching something on the water pump. Yeah, and I love how it turned out, but oh yeah, I'm not really happy with the colors, so I put too much white. So I touch it up with the chocolate bar and then voila, I'm happy on how it turned out. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you are not going to miss out. Thanks for watching again, and bye bye, guys. See you on my next DIY. Be safe and God bless you all.